fit when you can't go on the bed? You're not allowed on the bed. You make a mess everywhere. It's not my fault. You look like a Picasso. Yeah.
Давай, я всегда позор бежать. Свей, позор бежать. Свей, давай.
Just a nail trim, but in his head, it's definitely a horror movie.
Свей, позорчик.
Randy, go.
Bruh.
Randy, go. Randy. Dude. Come here. Come around. God.
¿Qué dijo? ¿Qué dijiste, mami? Hablar inglés.
You don't know me. Oh, okay, you love me. You love me.
If anyone deserves the award for Best Actor of the Year, I think it's none other than him.
Sorry. Give me that.
Say I know you love me.
I know you love me. I know you love me.
Le teckel dans le jardin. Le teckel vraiment zinzin.
This guy just launched a full home inspection service, powered entirely by the Zoomies system.
Le teckel vraiment zinzin.
My doggy's zoomies ended quite abruptly.
No security system is stronger than a dog that believes its owner is absolutely innocent.
Only problem I have a problem with is you. That's the only problem I have a problem with. You gotta let me clean up, then you can eat. You got an attitude problem, Kane. You losing your voice, you been screaming so much.
So we're coming home and Daisy sees us, but she doesn't realize we're behind her. Hi, Daisy.
Daisy may not be the smartest, but she's definitely the cutest.
There you go. Hi, girl. No. Hi.
Come on, bitch. Come on. Get out. Come on. Everybody get out. Come on. Because I'm getting active too. I'm getting active too.
Life would honestly feel a little bland without those heated arguments between siblings, right?
Tucker, place. Good boy, yes.
One bite of fresh food was enough to create an entire generation of picky eaters.
Woo!
Whoa, I don't have to hold you while I'm driving. You messed up the steering wheel. Yo!
Baby, what's happened? Oh, you have it. It was just a leaf. It was a leaf on your foot. Are you okay? Oh.
Have you ever stepped home and instantly been knocked out by this bundle of cuteness?
Ready?
When you love your bed too much, leaving it becomes a strategic decision.
Hey, get off my wall. Get off my wall.
Do it again.
For this diner, a good experience always comes with fast service. This is definitely the easiest way to know you're about to get a 5-star review. Be honest, we all wish we could enjoy life this freely at least once.
Oh my God! Wow!
You better You want a spanking? Get over there and lay down.
Coco, it's okay.
With that much energy, he could probably light up an entire city by himself.
Don't come in here with all that again. I literally said don't come in here with all that.
1% regret, 99% superb acting skills.
What the dog doing?
What is it? What's the matter with you? Huh? You just want a loving attention? What? You want a cinnamon roll? It's in the oven, Bear. It's coming. Don't be sassy with me.
He truly believed that simply standing still would make him invisible.
let go. Winnie! Let go. Winnie! Get... Oh my God. Oh my God! Winnie! Stop! You bad girl. You're a bad girl. Bad girl.
I guess with the situation looking like this, today has officially become bath day.
Easy. Easy. Star. Who wants it? Star, you want some more? You want more?
That's ridiculous. You just lumped energy. Come on. This is silly. This is silly, babe. Come on. This is...
Walking is just a memory now. Stroller service is the only acceptable option.
We need to go. Come on, we need to go. Bear, this is actually embarrassing now. You're just lying kind of... Bear, roll over.
Жуля, пойдем, купаемся, пойдем. Пойдем.
펭고. 루비 어디 갔어? 루비! 펭고! 나와야 돼. 루비. 어떡해.
If you can, please contact him for comedy show auditions.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh no! Oh no!
I don't care. You stink. Oh shit! Ah, you're still gonna talk back? What do you? I just saved your life. What do you mean?
Every kid knows shopping with parents is a real negotiation.
Do you want it, buddy?
Can someone explain to me how I got home and found her up there when she should have been in here? I'm gonna get you.
His eyes seem to say, everything is okay as long as I get to come along.
Right. Okay.
It seems like the second he looks away, that food will disappear forever.
We have a situation, folks. We're outside home base. It's one of the places he likes to throw himself on the floor. Bertie, come on. Let's go. Want a biscuit? Biscuit. Biscuit. There's a car coming. He's not bothered, is he?
Thanks for watching our video all the way through. We hope it brought you some relaxation and joy. See you in the next one.